considered amongst the oldest towers in the world and one of the symbols of Istanbul. Galata Tower was included in UNESCO World Heritage temporary list in 2013. Galata Tower, one of the most important structures that make up the silhouette of Istanbul. Galata Tower was first built by the Byzantine Emperor Justinianus in 507 and 508 AD. Another thing Galata Tower is actually famous for is the first successful human flight from Galata Tower to all the way to Üsküdar. Herzegovina jumped from the top of the Galata Tower in Istanbul with his wings and managed to glide across the Bosphorus Strait to the square in Üsküdar, which is about 2 miles away. Come and join me in my first ever climb on top of the Galata Tower. It's going to be at the night time and we will be having a 360 degrees views from the top of the tower of the city of Istanbul. You can reach Galata Tower through coming by Istiklal Street or you can come from catching a tram from the old city to Kadıköy and climb up to get to the Galata Tower. Here is the first Mevlana Sema house in Istanbul and it is a museum at the moment. You can actually visit it if you come during the daytime. You also come across these handiwork shops near the Galata Tower area, which are very fun to look at, and you can actually buy souvenirs and gifts for family from them here.
Have you paintings there? Check that fire one. Oh, Yoda having tea.
The first glimpse of Galata Tower as you reach from one of the side streets is just so mesmerizing, and it's light shows at night. They are just so, you just stand there for so long just watching all that. You can buy a ticket online or you could actually purchase a ticket while you are there. It's usually very long queues in the daytime, but at night time there were no queues, so we thought, okay, might as well just go in and have a look, and we would not actually regret that decision. It's a very unforgettable experience. You can buy a ticket from this kiosk outside the tower for 125 Turkish liras, or you can buy the ticket after entering the tower. And as you enter the tower, you can see all the details of the tower, how it was being built. They will have different information there for you to have a look at, and you can look up to see the way they preserved it all, and there will be a screen showing you some of the stuff, and then you enter your lift and it will take you to the 6th floor. As you get to the 6th floor, you can see some board. Like I said, it's a museum. You see all those different things. You will see a museum which is related to the tower, and there are some binoculars you can see out from, and you can see the city from above, and at the night it's even more mesmerizing than the day, and you can see all 360 degrees view. Then you go to the next level, which is outdoors, and luckily, even though it was February, it was really nice weather, and I did go all around. Like you can see, that is the Golden Horn, and that is actually the Kadıköy and Eminönü Bridge, where you come off the tram and you can take a tunnel up, or you can just walk it, and that is on Üsküdar side, where you can see a tall tower and the first bridge. And this is the old city you can see, and look at that bridge. It looks so stunning, so stunning. All these boats lit up at night, And then as you come down, you see this model of the city near the Galata Tower, and you can see all the little places they put on for as a model, which is really beautiful. You can just look at that and see where you are, what are the places around it, and it's just great to look at. Look at this ceiling. Top 3 stories of the tower were actually built by the Ottomans. And look at all this artwork going around. I'm going to show you all around this to show you, wow, how good that is. Each and every part of the tower is a history, is a museum. You can just keep looking at everything. Look at all those mosques on there. It's just like a scene of like the whole Istanbul all around it. And you see these little arch windows. If it's raining or the weather's not good, it's too windy, you can actually view the city from here. You do not have to go outdoors. There's some benches for you to sit down if you get tired, to take a break. And there is a lot of other stuff in here. All these little items, they are showing as the Byzantine times. They've been kept in here, and there are so many different parts, which is not too big. It wouldn't take that long to see. And this is one of the stones, which is probably taken of one of the places, which I don't remember what I actually... all the pots and stuff from Byzantine times. This chain, the chain which could not save the city, that was the chain which was being put on a golden horse, so nobody could actually get into the city to conquer.
Save